It's been a wintry start to the work week with the cold front leaving behind cold weather across South Africa. Behind that front, a ridging high starts to push in moisture over the far eastern part of the country, resulting in cloudy weather as well as some light rain and drizzle over parts of Mpumalanga and KwaZulu-Natal. On our satellite, you'll also see a bit of cloud and even a few showers moving through the Eastern Cape on Monday. On Tuesday, we're expecting much of the moisture to remain over the eastern part of the country, resulting in cloudy weather with the possibility of light rain or drizzle over the low velds as well as the northern parts of KwaZulu-Natal, but overall we can expect a predominantly dry and wintry day with cold maximum temperatures and a bitterly cold night in store. The winter chill even reaches KwaZulu-Natal with daytime highs in the low teens over the interior. Along the coast we can expect some rainfall with daytime highs peaking in the upper teens and Pietermaritzburg with a high of 13. For the Eastern Cape, we're expecting fine and dry weather, bitterly cold overnight over the interior with minimums well below zero and a high of around 10 degrees for Aliwal North and Elliot. Cool as we head into East London with a daytime high of 17. Fine and dry as we head into Port Elizabeth at 16, Beaufort West at -4 and 12, sunny all the way through to George at 3 and 16 degrees, and we keep in the mid-teens as we head into the Western Cape with sunny conditions over the interior but with some cloud along the coast, Cape Town at 6 and 16. Partly cloudy and mild for Alexander Bay at 20, -3 and 14 for Uppington with some high cloud expected. Pastersburg, Kimberley and Bloemfontein all at -7 and 12 degrees with a bitterly cold start of the day for the Free State, Bethlehem at -9 and a high of 10 in the afternoon. Daytime highs will peak in the mid-teens for much of the northwest with a cold start of the day, Potchefstroom at -8 degrees. We're expecting some cloud for Polokwane at 18 and then some drizzle for Tzaneen and Musina at 16 and 20 degrees. Skukuza, Bombela and eMkhuhlaneni can all expect some rainfall with a cold start of the day for the Mpumalanga Highveld and a cold afternoon with daytime highs in the low teens. Fine and dry for Gauteng but with a cold day in store, -3 and 13 degrees for Johannesburg and Vereniging dropping to -8 degrees overnight. Wind-wise, we're expecting a moderate southwesterly wind for Gauteng on Tuesday with a light southwester for Cape Town and then a fresh southwesterly wind along the east coast. Our extended outlook for Wednesday shows the possibility of rainfall for Port Elizabeth with some cloud along the east coast and daytime highs of around 20 degrees. Still fine and cold for Gauteng right the way through to Thursday with a sunny forecast across South Africa. Daytime highs will peak in the low 20s along the east coast as well as for Uppington, but with the rest of the country seeing a very slow recovery in those daytime highs with maximums in the teens. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a great one.
You deserve to know more.
eNCA.com